Hey, the seller sent me this 100-inch retractable gate for free, so I'm going to set it up, check it out, and give you my thoughts. So we needed a bigger gate here. We got quite a wide opening here. Unfortunately, our dog likes to get in the living room and chew up the couch, so we're going to use this gate to keep him out of there when we're not home. This gate is made out of a mesh material. This is fairly strong. A couple handles here. And then there's a locking mechanism on the top. What I also like about this is the mounting bracket on the bottom will slide. You can see we got some pretty big baseboard on the bottom, so this will enable us to work around that baseboard. This comes with all the hardware that you're gonna need. There are screws and anchors if you're drilling into drywall. There's also some floor supports that you can stick on the floor if you wanna firm up the base of it. When you're mounting this to the wall here, you just insert your mounting bracket right into the slot there. This comes with some double-sided tape. That way we can line this up, stick it on the wall, and then drill our holes. To take the bracket out, there's a little lever on the bottom. Just push the lever and you can unmount your gate. All right, we stuck this on. Now we're gonna take the gate off with the lever. This gate easily slides right off. All right, we screwed in our brackets and we'll just reinstall the gate. So the gate's mounted. Now we're gonna pull this out so we can measure up our hooks, unlock it, and that'll allow you to retract. This pulls out nice and easy. And then you can see it covers this space very well. All right, so now we're kind of in a weird spot because of this baseboard, but fortunately I can adjust this handle. There's a little set screw here. So this will maneuver. I have some room to work with this, so we're gonna drop it down to the bottom. All right, we got the hooks mounted. Fortunately, I was able to go into wood here as well, but now you can see this is fully set up. This is 33 inches tall, so this is definitely tall enough for my dog and like a toddler. So this could be used to keep a child or baby out of a room, but we're primarily gonna use it so you don't get in this room and chew up our couch. Now when you wanna retract this, you just unlock your tab here, and then you just retract your gate into the housing. And this neatly tucks away behind this wall. I like this because it's long enough for this bigger area, and we don't have like a solid gate that we have to disassemble and move and store. Everything just neatly stores right here behind the wall. And then if you wanted the bottom to be a little bit more taut, there are those floor mounts that you can install, and that would provide additional tension if you want to make your bottom solid, but for what we're doing here, we don't really need them.